I finally got my husband to change out the old microwave. That's why we have the retro one, Ashton's dorm one, in here. So now that one can go away. But I don't know how to work it. So it has Wi-Fi for some reason. I guess it feels like I need to hook it to Wi-Fi. I don't know. Okay, reheat, select menu, 1 to 5. I guess I should read the directions. I'm pushing. I'm pushing! Okay. Reheat. 1 to 5. I am pushing. Oh, okay. I just need to push it harder. I will be reading the directions for this.